You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 38. Updating an incident ticket for a major incident. To perform this lab, we first need to log in as Bill Walsh. So here I am logged in into home.atlassian as Bill Walsh. We'll click on Jira Service Management, and under Spaces we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We have expanded incident. We'll click on Open Incident and we'll click on All users are unable to send or receive email request. Okay. Now we are going to click on Assign to me. As I said, the first thing that you should do with request in real time as well is to assign it to yourself. Assign it to me. So as a Bill Walsh, we are assigning it to ourselves. Now we need to change the status of this request from open to investigate. We will reply customer and we will say that request is acknowledged. Okay, and we will provide the update once we move ahead. Click on investigate. In details, which is in rightmost panel, we are going to change priority from medium to high, and in under affected services, urgency is going to be high, yes, impact is going to be large or significant or large. Okay, these three things are there. Now let's move ahead and perform next task. For that we are going to move ahead and we are going to enable major incident, because we are indicating this is major incident. Under details, scroll down, you have major incident. Enable major incident. So scroll up, you will ensure that a major incident is there, a notification, a visibility like a highlighter. Okay, let me show it to you. It's gone. Major incident, it's there. Okay, now let's move ahead. Under activity, scroll down, this is middle panel. Under activity, we will click on add internal note and we will add this as an internal note. What are we saying? The issue has been reviewed and classified as major incident P1 due to its high impact and critical nature. So here you are informing your team. Further updates will be shared as investigation progresses. Okay, that's good. Now we'll click on save. Okay. So these are the tasks that you did in this lab as of now. Updated, assigned to me, which is assigned to Bill Walsh, updated to major incident. Now it's time to log in as Brian Tracy and have a look at this request. For that, I will open this request in incognito and here we are going to log in as Brian Tracy. Let's log in as Brian Tracy. We are going to click on Jira Service Management. Here we are in Help Center. Click on top right corner profile, click on Request and you see all users are unable to send or receive email via Outlook desktop or web client. Okay, here you have the comments from Bill Walsh. and you have all the details displayed. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.